Instrumentation and process control systems are used in many industrial processes to control and monitor specific system conditions such as pressure, flow, level, and temperature. These systems include complex control units and various sensors to monitor and transmit system signals. The IPT-200 system from SMC covers the operation, connection, and configuration of instruments used to provide PID control of pressure, level, flow, and temperature systems. The self-contained training platform is designed using industry-relevant components identical to those found in manufacturing equipment. When paired with the guided curriculum, students enjoy a seamless learning experience. Let's review the key features and functions of the IPT-200 Instrumentation and Process Control Training System. It allows for pressure, flow, level, and temperature activities in a single system. It fits through standard doors. It operates on standard 120-volt AC supply. The ICT-200 includes a standard industrial PID controller with a software interface. It uses standard industrial transmitters and valves for control of variables. It can be expanded to include any brand PLC and HMI functionality. The unique design allows rapid conversion and modification of experiments by adjusting the position of the valves. The simple design, easy-to-follow hands-on activities complement the learning modules in the following curriculum: Introduction to Process Control, Open Loop Control, Closed Loop Control, Level Measurement and Control, Pressure Measurement and Control, Flow Measurement and Control, Temperature Measurement and Control. The IPT-200 is a mobile solution and provides real-world training opportunities. In addition, the curriculum can be enhanced with the option of SMC's digital e-learning library. As the global leader in automation, our training equipment and hands-on activities have been developed to meet industry standards. You can learn more about the equipment, review curriculum specifications, and configure products at smctraining.com.